Hey everybody, just kind of wanted to talk to you guys about hard drives. I kind of went through my hard drives today and kind of tore them down completely. Now, got this down to the bare bones, almost minimum. Everything's out of it. This is all pretty much aluminum. Now, one of the things that I have noticed is this, and I'm going to flip it over real quick, is here. That is gold. So you guys can see it. And those are gold contacts. Those are set up, and there's usually the board is over it, pushed against it, and you don't see it. But it's very easy if you get some screwdriver or something and pop it up, and just, it's adhesive on the back, and just pop that up, rip it off, and you can run that with your gold fingers. So looking at this old hard drive, it's a Quantum Fireball plus AS. And this, instead of having the star lugs, this actually has Phillips head. And if you notice, it's only a 20.5 gigabytes. So, gonna take a look at this, flip it over real quick. Has some really nice tantalums, crystal oscillator, flat pack, of course. And then I went ahead and undone the screws on this side. And you got really good gold-plated pins on the inside. Back side has a filter, and this looks like flashing of gold. So I have to either gold or silver. I can't see in the light as well. So we'll have to take a look at that. The back of this is pretty much either, I believe it's aluminum, like most of them. If you look here, I've got a bunch of them that I've already completed taking apart. Now, one of the things that I am doing is I'm going back and I'm going to take, as I said in a little bit earlier, is going and taking these off. So we'll go through all that. I've got a stack of laptop boards that I'm going to go through. The 320 gig I may keep, because that's a pretty big for the size, but I doubt it very seriously. I'm probably just going to destroy them all, because I'm mainly after going through all of that, you take a look and see what everything that I've got in here. I'm going for the plates. I'm debating on what I'm gonna do with these, if I'm going to shred them and put them on eBay, or if I'm going to make wind chimes out of them. Not sure yet. Some of the cool things that I saw here too is this is the same as this piece right here, and right here is gold pins as well. This is pretty much aluminum. I'm sure there's copper inside here for the motor, but I'll probably just sell it as a copper aluminum motor, or just a motor, and sell it off that way. It's pretty substantially heavy regardless, and I've got quite a few of them. Some of the other things that I've got are these, and I have quite a few magnets, obviously, but you've got some gold. Let me get it so I can focus. Right there on the end. Also, remember I told you these pins, these are gold pins. This has a gold here on the edge. I'll do some more research on them. I've seen folks that actually sell these off kind of like this and make pendants or something. I may just put these in a lot and sell them. I'm not sure yet. Alright guys, here we are with it. We're going to try to crack her open. And she's kind of sealed, so that's what it looks like. It's inside really, really clean. And for all the thickness, see, there's not a lot of space. I mean, there's a lot. They could actually have more boards, and this one has a setup where you could actually have a bunch more. Now, looking at this particular unit, it's locked in this position, so most likely this is not going to be able to be recovered regardless. So what I'm going to do is I'll tear it down, take the magnets out, take the arm off, and then recycle everything as it goes. Now this is what's left of it. You have one platter, the aluminum, the board, you have this, which is your reader. It's got copper in the back, kind of to help with the magnets to move it back and forth at high speed. This is what reads everything to the board to send it out. Little pin and magnet. Now, these little puppies will crush your fingers if you put them together. They're extremely violent, and they're called rare earth magnets. They do that, and they do hurt. Sorry for the finger, didn't realize it was there. But this is me tearing down a hard drive. I will do some more of these videos a little bit later. Thank y'all very much. Also, remember to like and subscribe. I need all the people I can get. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.